Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to paprendi channel. Today we will learn how to rendering this house design using Enscape. Let's see this icon, help panel. Learn the basic controls. There is information about the controlling. I'll explain about the move. W is for go forward, S backward, A left, D to the right, E fly up, key fly down, and spacebar to go walk, and spacebar again we can fly. Left mouse button, hold press is look around, and right click is for orbit, and middle click is for panning. Double click left button to teleport. Scroll down, zoom out. Scroll up, zoom in. Hold shift and right click, hold right, move right and left, time of day, for setting the time of day. Let's see the SketchUp version. You can watch the previous tutorial. I put the link on the description so you can watch if you need to know how about to create this design. And also I've added the asset. You can add from asset library. There is many of asset. Example, I will put here. You can see there is automatically make adjustment. Escape X, I will resize. Also you can resize by pressing scale. And move. We can also activate synchronize views. So whenever you navigate from the SketchUp, it will also mirroring in the Enscape. Let's see if I add this man here. Click again to deactivate the synchronized view. And then click this visual settings. Let's make it default first. Custom preset. Reset to default. Uncheck this auto exposure and make it 15. Field of view, I will make it 60. And depth of field, this is for the blurriness, but I will setting to the none, to 0. The rendering quality, I will set to high. The image, the highlight, move it, setting adjust lower, like that. And the shadow, I will make it -100. Saturation, color temperature, I will setting just little bit like this. Motion blur, leave it like that. Lens flare, I will make it 0. If you need to reset, just click this icon. It will back to the reset. Bloom is okay. Chromatic aberration, I will set to none. You can see the difference. Okay. Atmosphere, fog, sun brightness, I will lower it. Make it 28. And the exposure I will higher 20. Okay, back again to atmosphere. Night sky brightness, it doesn't make a change because this is daylight. Shadow sharpness, I will make it 0. Artificial light brightness, you can see there is, in this area, there is a light. I've put the light in here. Let's see from the SketchUp. I put the light here, so it will make, you can add the light from here, Enscape object. There is some lights option: sphere, spot, line, react, and disk. Sphere is like, let's set to sphere. Click again, and higher for the luminous intensity. You can see the difference. Let's make it synchronized view. This is sphere light. Okay, sphere light will make a beam in this area like sphere. We can just like this. Okay, the objects will not seen, only the effects of the lights. Okay, we delete, and let's see for the spot. That is the spot. Then line. Okay. We can change the color using the materials, and colors. Make it maybe blue. It will change the color into blue. This is for the brightness. This is for the length. We can copy. And this similar like component, and we can make unique if we need to separate the component. Okay, and react is like this. Click again and snap to along the blue axis, and click again. Luminous power, you can see the power, the width, length. Yeah, you can move. You can see the effect. And this, click, and you can adjust the position, but I will leave it in here. click again, and for the beam, make a reference and click, and we can adjust higher like this. Okay, that is for the disk. And we close, deactivate the synchronized view and set the full screen again. Then click the visual settings. Let's see. Press shift and right click, hold right click and make it darker. Make it into the night. You can see. And the artificial light brightness, we can make the intensity of the lights. We can copy all of these lights to the second floor. We copy and paste here and paste again here. We copy to the first floor. Okay, I think that's nice. Can also copy trophy. We can make unique and change the color into yellow, maybe. I prefer white. Okay. Okay, this is for the lights, and we can change into the day. Artificial light brightness, we can lower for the daylight. Okay. Wind is when we move around, it will make effect for the trees. When we set to 0, you can see the difference. 100 is moving fast. Let's set it to the default. It's 25. Sky, the source I will set to forest. You can see there is a background, forest background. You can rotate for the adjustment. I will set to the default. No rotation. Yeah, maybe like that. You can see when it's cloudy, it will make an effect for the brightness. Okay, and then output resolution full HD, but I prefer ultra HD. File format PNG or JPEG. If PNG, you can make alpha channel to make it transparent so the cloud will not seen. And JPEG, I think JPEG is good. Okay, let's render the image. Set the view like this, and then we can directly click this screenshot, sample 1 and save. Let's see the result. It's still good enough. The detail is good when we zoom in. This is Ultra HD. Okay, if you need to make a video animation, first keyframe, click this one, and we change the view, the last keyframe. You can see this is 6 seconds, and we play. We can change the time by clicking the last keyframe and check this timestamp. I will make it 6. Okay, and then we move forward and then add the keyframe 16. I will change into 10. Let's play. I think it's too long. Make this one is only 3 or 4. Okay, and play. Okay, let's export it. Ultra HD, Full HD. I will set to the maximum, 30 or 60. Higher is better, but it's slower. I will make a 30 and Full HD. Full HD. Let's see the Full HD. Export. Yes. Video 1 and save. Exporting video for Full HD. Okay, I will pause it because it's too long. Okay, it's about 1 and 2 minutes. Let's see the result. This is the Full HD. Ultra HD, it's better, but it's slower to render. Okay, I hope this tutorial is useful. Thank you for watching. If you have questions, please write on the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye-bye.